Hello friends, welcome to the new short video. The Bell OH-58A KIOWA is a military helicopter used for observation, utility, and direct fire support. It was produced by the American manufacturer Bell Helicopter and is closely related to the Model 206A Jet Ranger civilian helicopter. The OH-58A was introduced in May 1969. Only 2 months after the type entrée to service, it was first deployed into the Vietnam War. The kit contains 27 plastic parts, canopy mask sheet, photo-etched parts sheet, and 2 decal variants.